Our smart grids harmonise multiple technologies under one system, providing your business with huge savings and carbon reductions. Increasingly popular amongst companies that want to control their electrical assets, smart grid infrastructure connects your high voltage and low voltage infrastructure with commercial solar panels, battery storage, and EV charging systems. By installing a smart HV and LV switchboard, you can increase the efficiency of all of these systems through one centralised connection. Smart grids are the future of the electrical distribution network. Businesses will no longer need to be as reliant on centralised power distribution, as they can take control of their energy future through the adoption of a smart grid, linking technologies together to create significant financial and carbon savings. The benefits of our smart grid solutions: a centralised connection point for existing and emerging power generating technologies, remote monitoring of your organization's electrical systems and technologies, dynamic control of technologies to make sure maximum benefits are achieved, renewed equipment with the ability to warn you in advance of any technical problems, helping with consultation, design, delivery, monitoring and maintenance. Our end-to-end service makes sure that you get the most out of your smart grid and the connected technologies. Whatever your requirements, our team of renewable energy experts can guide you from start to finish and help your business save money, reduce emissions, and secure future energy generation for years to come.